Hey, I'm Dr. Munsi. Today again I came here to discuss with you with a new topic. That is dental treatment consideration in pregnancy. There are many confusion among students about this topic. I'll try to clarify all the queries. So, the best time for dental treatment in pregnancy is the second trimester, that is 13th week to 27th week. But there are some exceptions also. In case of dental emergency, it can be done in any stages, considering the patient's position. The patient's position should be left lateral in case of pregnant patient. Left lateral with right hip elevated. Why so? There is a term called supine hypotension syndrome. If pregnant patients lie supine, then there will be the uterus will block the inferior vena cava, and the symptoms is called the supine hypertension syndrome. So to avoid this condition, the patient's position should be left lateral, right hip elevated. So the best time for dental treatment is second trimester, that is 13th week to 27th week. But in case of dental emergency, dental treatment can be done anytime, because here the patient's life is more important. Now for dental prophylaxis and dental polishing, it can be done in any stages, considering the proper positioning. Next, restoration and RCT. Yeah, it can be done in any stages if requirement is there, but the ideal time for that is second trimester. And for third trimester, restoration and RCT is usually not recommended, but if in case of emergency or acute pulpitis, it can be done, considering the proper positioning. Second thing, epinephrine. There is a question that is epinephrine can be used with local anesthesia or not in pregnancy. There are no studies said that epinephrine is contraindicated. Epinephrine can be used safely with local anesthesia in pregnant patient. There is no problem with that. Now radiography, dental radiography, is it safe for pregnant mother? Yeah, IOP or radiography, the dose is very less. So if requirement is there, dental radiography can be done, considering we should use the modern technology, that is digital radiography. It will the dose should be less. For that we should use e-speed film, digital radiography, and long cone technique, square collimation. This type of thing you have to keep in your mind. So few things you have to keep in your mind: that second trimester is safe, dental emergency can be done in any trimester, then radiography can be done considering the dose is low. Next, epinephrine can be used in any stages. So this was a video about this topic. Thank you very much for patient listening.